Hello. Snow day again. It's a blizzard out there. Like, seriously. The snow is going sideways. You can't see it. Sorry. Snow's everywhere. Look at those geese over there. See them? I doubt I can. I can't see them. But I can. Let's go say hi to Sissy. Sissy! Sissy! Hi. Oh. You're so sweet. Look at the fat girl. Look how fat you are. No, it's okay. She's such a sweetie, aren't you? Look how cute you are. Okay, love you. Jay. Jay. Jeez, look at that. Sanity. How well can you see that? I'm sorry if you can't see it very well. Whoa. You can probably see it better up here. Can you see any of that? I mean, that's crazy awesome. Look at all that. Oh, there's Mailman. Poor guy. Must be out driving. The little fishy's probably frozen. Yep. It's pretty snowy out. Mints. I love mints. Well, my cousin Stormy does. She absolutely loves the mints. Every time she comes over, if she doesn't get a mint, she'll go home and cry. Literally. Not kidding.